To Oz?
To Oz.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Here he is, a whiz of a whiz, if ever a whiz there was. If ever a whiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Alright, hi everyone. I just wanted to show you how super cute this new toy that we found at Once Upon a Child is. I've never in my life seen this toy before. It is so cute, and we ended up getting it for $6, but it is from The Wizard of Oz. And these are the pieces that it came with, and they're really tiny, but you got Glinda, the witch, Wicked Witch. You got the lion, you got Dorothy, you got the Tin Man, Scarecrow, and the 3 Munchkins. And I forgot what his name was, but he's part of Emerald City. And then this is how the castle...
His name is the Oz.
Yeah, that's the Oz. This is what it looks like before you open it up. And then this pulls out. And then you get the crystal ball back here that opens and turns. And then you also get Dorothy's house that pops up. And then over here is where the Wicked Witch lives. And her little area also opens up. And then you have Emerald City, which you're supposed to push this, but got a little loose today. All right, so this is what it looks like when you first open it up. And here's all the cute little figures. And then here is the house all opened up. I call it a house. I don't know why. It's just the little play set. And then if you look really close, really close right here, it's the little feet in the movie when they killed one of the witches. It's her little black and white socks and the red slippers.
They're gone! The ruby slippers! What have you done with them? Give them back to me or I'll... It's too late. There they are, and there they'll stay.
And then if you look over here, this is where the witch and the monkeys live. And when you put the witch on there, you can push this, and then the witch melted. And it is so flippin' cute. And then the Wicked Witch ends up falling into this door back here. I'm trying to get it to open. Right here. This is where the witch comes out. So cute.
You cursed brat! Look what you've done! I'm melting! Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world! Who would have thought a good little girl like you could destroy my beautiful wickedness? Ah, look out! Look out! I'm going! Oh, oh.
All right, and another cool feature is that when you push this little bush here, push it once, and the little bubble glows, and that's where Glinda goes. And then over here is Dorothy's house. right here is where the scarecrow goes. Yeah, in the cornfield. And then over here is where the Tin Man will go. And then back here is where the lion goes. And of course, the witch goes up here. And then Oz goes in Emerald City. And the little munchkins just go in the land right here. Alright, and then when you click it again, the bubble goes off. And then this little magic globe lights up over in the witch's area. And then when you click it again, all three turn on. It is the cutest set I've ever seen in my entire life. And now I'm going to show you where all these cute little figures go. So we're going to start off with Glinda. And again, I'm sorry my nails aren't done, but I just had to get this cute little video done. She actually goes into the bubble, and then you can close her in. If I can get it. I'm not going to close it now because I'll knock her over. Bobby, stop touching my arm. There you go. She's in there. So cute. And then, of course, the Wicked Witch. Bobby, can you pick up what I dropped, please? Alright, since we dropped the witch, we'll do the lion. And he goes back here in this little hole. And then Dorothy. And she's going to go over here inside her house. And then we have the witch, since Bubby helped me pick her up. She goes on here. So cute.
Put her on here.
And then when you push this button, she melts and goes to the back. And then here is where the Tin Man goes. And then here is where the Scarecrow goes. He just sits in there in the cornfield. And then you get the three little munchkins that are going to go in the land over here. And I'm not going to worry about standing them all up. You get the idea. Bubby won't stop touching stuff. Alright, anyway, you get the point. And then here is Oz. And then he just stands up here. I think he's actually supposed to sit somewhere, Sierra. I'm not sure where though. And Bobby won't stop touching stuff. Will you?
I want to try, I guess.
No. Let Sierra do it.
Yeah, it's not your toy. It's mine.
Anyway, and then Oz will go over here somewhere. So.
No, he goes in here. You open this curtain, then you set him in, and you shut it.
Oh yeah, he goes in there. That's cute.
Cause he plays as the screen guy.
Yeah. And then when you when you open this one, that's where
you see the carriage, the note, and the heart.
And then this little hot air balloon that Dorothy, is this where Dorothy goes in the movie? How does that come out?
You do this.
It pops out.
And it also does this. And it's like a little house.
Let me see that up close. That is so cute.
And it's like this little spinny thing that I think it's supposed to glow up.
To me, it looks like a little
And
fan.
you go here, and this does funny faces. You guys.
Oh yeah, it does. Do it again. Do it again, Sierra. Push that button. Oh, I see it changing. That's so funny.
The fire, then it's like regular fire. He's
Yeah,
really
I see
mad. He's not really mad. Really mad, not really mad. Really mad, not really mad. Really mad, really mad.
Sierra just figured out that when you spin it on the
There's
back.
a twisty thing at the back.
All right, do
what
it. That's
makes-
cool. It's like when Glinda shows up in the movie. That is so cute.
If you guys liked my toys, give this video a thumbs up if you liked my new toys, and we will see you in our next vlog. Bye.
I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And comment down below if you like it. Subscribe if you're new. And hit the little bell button next to the subscribe button so you know whenever my mom uploads a new video. Yeah, we love you guys. Bye.
Treat you better.
Bless them when there ain't no stressing. This one is straight for the girl them.
We don't have to worry about nothing. We got the fire and we burning one hell of a something.